Hi lovelies, welcome back to another Watch Me Make video. So today I have another acrylic glitter fade to share with you guys. This time we did it in gold and added some acrylic marbling along with some 3D nail art as well. But instead of encapsulating, we did it on top of the acrylic. So here you see me just starting off with my thin layer of clear acrylic. Now I did go in and prepped my client's nails and primed and all of that good stuff. So I'm just going to repeat this step to all of the nails. So now I'm going in with my nail bed color, and this is by Picasso Nails ink, and this one is universal. And of course I'm going to make sure that my cuticle area is nice and flush, and when I'm happy with it I'm just going to pull that bead as far to the free edge as possible. Now I am going to start my fade this way by doing my nail bed first because I am working with glitter and I don't want the nude to cover it up. So I'm going in with another one of those Picasso Nails acrylic powder. Now this one is called Streets of Gold, and I'm going to place that right where the nude stops, and I'm going to start blending it back towards the cuticle area while pulling the bead as far to the free edge as possible. Now I needed a little bit more at the tip, so I went in with a small bead of that gold right there, and I started pulling it back towards the cuticle area, also making sure that my free edge is nicely covered with this glitter, but also keeping it very nice and thin because I do have to encapsulate. So now I'm going in with the Tones White Acrylic Powder. Now I have had my fair share of trying white acrylic powders, and guys, this one is the bomb. Like, this is my favorite white right now. The consistency, it's like applying butter. So after picking up a bead of this white, I did tap some of the liquid out of the back of my brush, and then I started working with it. Now it blended each bead seamlessly into the next without any hassle or running into that cuticle area or just creating a hot mess. So I'm just going to continue to build up the structure of this nail because I don't need to encapsulate once I have the strength with this white, because it is a strength powder. Now for my acrylic marble, I am using this purple acrylic that I made myself, and I'm using the Tones White, and I'm just going to be swirling the colors into each other. Now when it comes to doing any sort of marbling, there is no right or wrong way to do it. You just need to make sure when working with your colors that you don't over mix it, and you don't want to work with it too wet for the colors to blend into each other. Now I'm just going to continue playing around with this until it's appealing to the eye. Now you do want shades of purple throughout the nail, but you do want that purple itself to stand out in certain points so that you can actually tell that it's a marble. So when I'm happy with the way that my marble looks, I'm going to take some of that gold glitter and I'm just going to follow some of the lines of the purple. So now going in with my Tones Glass Acrylic Powder, I am going to go ahead and encapsulate all the nails except the white nail. So after doing this step, I did go in off camera, file shaped and buffed when my acrylic was set. And I'll meet you guys back with the nail art design. Now going in on this white nail with that same purple acrylic powder, I'm going to be creating two 3D acrylic roses. And to do this set today, I'm using my pure color number 5 nail art brush. And this one is a little bit run down, so if it is that you see some scratches and stuff on it, just ignore it. But I love this brush and I will not give it up. So if you guys are interested in seeing a step-by-step on how I create my 3D roses, I would say it's in every video. Check the link in my description box on the requested video, and it's on your screen in the cards right now. So basically that was it for this set. All that's left for me to do is apply my top coat and my cuticle oil, and of course I'll have a clip of the final results at the end of the video to share with you guys, as well as some pictures. So these nails are actually inspired by the color scheme of her mother's wedding. She is the maid of honor and she wanted her nails to match the scheme. So this is the design that I came up with. If you guys do love it, go ahead and leave me this emoji with your comments in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And go ahead and share this video with your friends or your family or your BFF or just somebody that loves watching nail tutorials. If you are new to my channel, I would like to say welcome to the family. And don't forget before you leave to click that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss a beat when I upload next. That is it, guys. I am out. As always, I'd love for you guys to keep safe and I'll see you soon.